Hi loves, it's Nicole. So in a previous video I shared with you guys that during the pandemic I was at home doing all of the DIY projects imaginable. So today I thought I would share with you some of the projects that I did, starting right here in my kitchen. So I purchased my home just before the start of the pandemic. Doing DIY projects was not also just something that helped me pass my time, but something that helped me mentally get through the pandemic. I was only leaving my home to go to Lowe's or go to Home Depot, my home away from home, during the course of those months that we were required to be isolated. I poured my own blood, sweat, and tears into remodeling my home myself. I am no expert, but I do have a background in theater, so I have experience with design and building, as well as a background in visual arts. So I'm also artistic in that realm as well. Putting all those skills to use, plus the fact that it is a passion of mine. And I just wanted to give you guys a little bit of a glimpse of how I spent my time during lockdown. So check out this video.
You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh.
So that's my kitchen. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know if you want to see more, as I did document other areas of my home that I did as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. And of course, if no one told you today, let me be the one to tell you, I love you. Bye.